Hi, I'm Mike Simmons from A World of Wings. I've been a professional bird trainer for the last 12 years. I'm today here talking about the Liberta parrot cage range. Hi, I'm Mike Simmons. This is Jay, a Patagonian conure. With us here we've also got the Liberta Carlisle, a cage suitable for a bird of this size, small to large parakeet. This cage here has some great features as well, including a cage top stand so that you can let your bird out for daily exercise. And of course this cage top stand can be closed as well as open. Also, if we go down, a very clever door system which folds out but also double up as a landing platform. We've got two feed bowls which pull out through these accessible sliding doors. Very easy to clean with a plastic pull-out cleaning tray. And this whole cage pulls off of its specially designed stand, which is also on wheels. An advantage of having a cage that comes off of its stand is we can take this cage outside with the birds safely inside it so they can enjoy fresh air and sunshine. The whole cage is covered throughout with a non-toxic paint, which is very important for the health and safety of your pet parrot.